Hey guys, Troy here. Welcome back. Yeah, I'm just sitting in my Saab 900 now after just putting it away for the day. And you know, it's been in storage for the winter. I've just had some work done on it just to replace the engine mounts because they were getting a little bit old. And I was thinking, it raised a question in my mind. How much time and money do we spend on our Saabs? It's hard to believe that our cars were made for the harsh, long Swedish winters, yet what a beautiful day today in sunny Enköping next to the lake. But yeah, I was just thinking with that question I said at the intro was how much money are we spending on our cars? I mean, I don't want to discuss like actual figures, but our passion for these cars really do mean that we put a lot of money into maintaining something that is kind of essentially, well, it's a defunct brand and they don't make them anymore. Parts are harder to find. Like any classic car, I guess. My like 92 900 convertible turbo, I probably put the same money into it that I paid for it. I mean, when I imported it from America, I just, you know, I had a little bit of surplus income and I just did everything on like bushings and shock absorbers, springs, everything on the drivetrain. It's not stopping because I'm doing some more work on the hood. So I just thinking, you know, what do you guys think? Do you have like a limit? Do you have this thing where I'm not going to go over this sort of budget? Or is it a case that it's like a passionate thing and then really we're just like kind of we're doing like a service by maintaining these cars? Now, anyone that knows me knows that my cars are by no means like a showroom condition, and I use my cars. Even my 900 convertible, I put it away for the winter to protect it from the salt, but I do actually use it as an everyday car, daily driver. I throw things in the back, I even move furniture around in it, my kids are in it. It's not a precious thing. I try and maintain it and everything, and I do put money into it, but it's a car to be used. Now, I know there's different people out there where they have their Saabs as like these showroom pieces, you know, that they take to rallies and stuff, which are in perfect condition and there's not a speck of dust on them. I mean, I can't imagine what it costs to kind of maintain those types of Saab. And I just wondered get the feedback from you guys out there. I mean, by no means wanting any kind of actual figures of what you spend, but like, you know, do you have limits on what you spend? And are you more in the kind of, you just take your Saab out non-rainy days and, you know, you take them to rallies and they're in perfect condition, or are they daily drivers? And would you spend less money on your daily driver than a showroom piece? Just interesting to get some feedback and what you guys think. So guys, I hope that video was of some interest. It would be really good to get some of your comments down below. And as always, thanks for watching and see you next time on the Classic Saab Guy. So hey guys, I just wanted to come on to the end of this video and just talk about subscribers, because I'm not very good at reminding people to subscribe to the channel or to like a video, but I was reminded by a couple of other subscribers to my channel that I have a lot of viewers. Actually 75 to 80% of return viewers are not subscribers. I actually felt like probably a bit disheartened recently that I felt like the channel wasn't that popular, and then I didn't make as much content or as interesting content as I would like to. I think that might be where there's like a self-perpetuating cycle of not many subscribers, not so many videos, but then many subscribers, and it encourages to make more videos. And so I was just going to reach out and say, guys, you know, those of you who view my channel, please subscribe to my channel, because then it encourages me to make more content. I will still do it because I enjoy it, but I probably won't be catering so much to viewers because I feel like there isn't necessarily a want. And so like by getting more subscribers, it will encourage me to make more videos and make more interesting stuff and be able to take your ideas of what to of what content there can be. So yeah, guys, please just just subscribe to my channel, like the videos. You can follow me on Instagram, the Classic Saab Guy there, and also my_retro restorations for my other restoration jobs. And I will put a link into this video at the bottom there to my other channel that I've recently started, which is all about restoring everything from motorcycles to vintage furniture. So if you find interest in that, then please subscribe there. But guys, thanks for watching. I really do appreciate the likes and the subscribes. Keep it coming. And those 75% of you that obviously come back for more, please subscribe to my channel, and let's do this and make some great content together. Cheers guys, and see you next time on the Classic Saab Guy.